2021 Huawei Watch GT Runner is mainly designed for runners and powered by Harmony OS 2.2 operating system. In November 2021, the company has introduced this smartwatch in the global market. To improve its software system, Huawei is rolling out the first firmware update for Watch GT Runner smartwatch available in the global market. However, the Chinese counterpart of this smartwatch has already grabbed this update earlier. According to information, the first update for Huawei Watch GT Runner landed on the ground with the Harmony OS firmware version 2.1.0.219 and weighs around 61.30 megabytes. By exploring the changelog, we have found that this update brings support for deploying third-party applications such as WeChat. Further, it includes the improvement for Huawei Music listening experience and system stability to increase user experience. That's not it. It was also reported that this firmware update also fixed the issue of charging animation found on some units, similar to Huawei Watch GT3 series. So guys, are you ready to install the first update of Huawei Watch GT Runner? Before you start the update process, please make sure that Bluetooth connection won't be disconnected during the update process. If update fails, try again. To update the Huawei Watch GT Runner, open the Huawei Health app, go to Connected Device section in the app, select your device, proceed towards the update section, and follow on-screen instructions to install the update. That's it for now. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.